Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Tinashe lace frontal wig right here. The hair came in this cute packaging, and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies for you to install your hair. It comes with a tail comb, it comes with baby hairbrush, it comes with a wig cap, it comes with an eyelashes, it comes with a cap, a shower cap or sleeping cap, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box, guys. I love the wave pattern. The wave pattern of this hair is absolutely stunning, and it was the same even when you wear the hair on your head. It was just amazing. The hair is really soft and very silky to touch. I also love the construction of the cap. The fact that it's glueless. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also comes with an elastic strap as well, so you don't need any glue or gel to install your hair. As you guys can tell, the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. I love the wave pattern of this hair, and I love the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't really have to do much to install your hair. It's more like a beginner friendly hair. You just need to cut your lace and install the hair with the elastic band or the comb in the construction of the cap, so you don't really need to do much. So all I did was just cut the excess lace of the wig and then apply the hair in sections. I applied the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace. You guys don't need to do all of this, but I just decided to do this so that I can wear the hair for a while to be able to give you guys an in-depth review while I do this voiceover. So yeah, I applied the glue in section and placed the lace exactly where I applied the glue, then brushed the lace into the glue, if that makes sense. So that was all I did. I did the same thing on the second, the other side and the other side as well. So yeah, basically you don't have to stress yourself to install this hair. It's very easy to install with glue or without glue. I love the fact that the hair is silky, very soft, and I love it. I love the lace as well. It was very easy to work with, and I applied the elastic band on the hair and then cut off the excess lace, and bang, I was good to go. As you guys can tell, you can actually wear this hair straight from the box. In terms of the curl pattern, straight from the box, you don't have to do much. The hair can be pat anywhere within the 4x4, yeah, 13x4 lace frontal. So yeah, I applied the Kerry Care wax stick on the set place where I actually wanted my parts to stay, then used the hot comb to press the hair down, and then voila, that was it. I showed you guys what the curl pattern looks like straight from the box because you don't need to coil it, but as always I just have to coil it to demonstrate that the hair to curls really well. Look at the hairline, guys. I love the hairline. Very nice, very neat, and very silk. So yeah, that was the curl pattern straight from the box. As you guys can see, the curls have popping. I love the whip pattern straight from the box. It was just amazing. So yeah, I sprayed the heat protection spray on the hair, and then I decided to go for 1 curls, and that was all I did. Nothing more, nothing less. It's very easy, very straightforward. You don't have to stress. It's more or less like a beginner friendly kind of hair. The hair is super duper soft. I wish you guys can feel this hair. It's so soft, very voluminous, and the hair is also true to length as well. I love the quality of the hair. It's super duper amazing. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all. I'm still wearing the hair and I am loving it. I received loads of compliments wearing this hair, and I like the fact that there was no shedding or no tangling whatsoever, and the hair does not have any nasty smell to it as well, which is really amazing. So yeah, that's all I did so far. I really enjoyed this hair, and I love the fact that the color variation was super amazing. I love the highlights of the hair. It was just at the perfect places. So yeah, for the baby hair, guys, you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of baby hair, but lately I've been trying my best to do it for you guys, since a lot of you guys said you like baby hair. Some of you guys actually said, oh yeah, we like baby hair, can you do baby hair? But yeah, I've been trying my best to do it, but I'm not a huge fan of it. But yeah, you got it. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for my review, and yeah, please don't forget to check out Tinashe hair. I am loving this hair, and thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for watching all my videos and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And yeah, look at that, look at that. The volume of the hair is just amazing. I'm sorry I couldn't get up to show you guys the back, but yeah, I love the hair. The hair is definitely true to length and more. It looks so much like 24 inches. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today is all about this Tinashe lace frontal wig I'm wearing right here, guys. I am loving it. The color is giving me life. I love the highlights. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. The wave pattern of this hair from the box is just amazing. I love the wave pattern. It was really bouncy and very nice, very full. As you guys can tell, the hair is actually full from the top to the bottom of it. I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well. It's really full and very soft. Throughout the styling of the hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling at all. The hair is really soft and very voluminous. I love the hair. There was no shedding, no tangling, and no nasty smell throughout the styling of this hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I also like the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it at all. And I love the fact that every single strand of this hair were the same throughout the length of this hair. I love that. Another thing I like about the hair is the lace, guys. The lace of this hair is really soft and very easy to work with. I love the fact that I didn't have to stress myself, you know, to install the lace. It was very easy. I just cut the lace and place it on the glue, and it's, you know, melted into my skin, which is really amazing. And the most amazing thing that I love about this hair is the quality of the hair, guys. You would have expected strands here and there because it's a colored hair, but like seriously guys, this does not have any of that at all. The quality of the hair is top notch, like amazing. The hair also took to curls really well. As you guys can tell, it's very full and very silky to touch. I love this hair. I love the fact that I can actually manipulate the hair however I want for me to get, you know, that bouncy look or that, you know, voluminous look as well. I love the fact that the hair is really silky, very soft, and the color is just top notch for me. I love the color a lot. I love the fact that the highlights were just at the right place in my opinion, and I love the fact they paid great attention to details when it comes to the highlights of this hair. The highlights is just at the right places, at the right, you know, sections of the hair. I love this hair a lot. I love the color. I love this, you know, the texture. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is actually 22 inches, but as you guys can tell, it looks so much like 24 inches in my opinion. I believe they're generous with the length of their hair because the 22 inches hair looks so much like 24 in my opinion. The hair looks really long and it's definitely true to life. You guys don't know Tinashe hair. Tinashe hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have 360 lace wig, they have curly wig, they have body wave, they have all types of hair and textures and styles on their website. Really love this brand because the quality of their hair is just amazing. Another thing I like about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. Hair took exactly 4 days to get to me, which is really amazing in my opinion. Really love how quick their shipping was. I love the fact that the hair comes with loads of amazing goodies that you can also use to style and secure your hair. Really recommend this hair. Absolutely, I would definitely recommend Tinashe hair. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how quick the shipping was, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of how easy it is for me to install the hair, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the, you know, construction of the cap, it's definitely AA plus for me. The construction of the cap is very neat and very sleek. And in terms of how realistic the color of the hair is compared to their website, it's definitely AA plus for me. So yeah, I am loving this hair, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Tinashe hair for all your quality hair at affordable prices. I love about this brand is the fact that they normally have offers on their website. If you check out their website now, you definitely find something for you and your love. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.